Everything is so big.
Welcome to America, Mia.
Stay close, sweetheart.
Can we go there? And there too? Slow down, Mia.
We have time for everything.
Wow, so many candies. Mama? Mama? Papa? Where are you? I miss you, Mom, Dad. Where are you? I can't find my parents.
Hey, it's okay. I'm here to help you. You're very brave, Mia.
Will I find them?
Of course.
We will find them together.
Mia! Where are you? Have you seen our daughter? Please.
Meadowmeat, we found your parents.
Really? I'm happy now. Mama, Papa.
We were so worried.
You're safe now. I won't go far again.
We'll always be with